I counted 14 at one point.
So was this in April?
Yeah. We're just going photo, details at photo.
Well, highly...
Details. Yeah, 19th of April, 20 past 2.
Well, I highly doubt it's that area now because there is bird flu about. So it might have killed all the ducklings. Because there is a virus that's going on around called avian influenza and it's killing all the ducks.
Is it?
Yeah. Wonder if that's obviously you know, bird flu. The signs of bird flu because, in fact, you know, bird flu. I've recently noticed that the signs of bird flu also. The symptoms of bird flu also include the birds unable to lift their neck and standing up.
Is it?
Yeah.
That was your fault, your opinion. Your rat.
It's bad, really. It's had quite a big patch around here. There's hardly any birds.
Hi guys, Mike about 5000 here. So we finally know the truth of all the ducklings, all the missing ducklings. So apparently some friends came down here, well, friends that we hadn't seen in a long time. They come down before and they now came back again to the old duck park and I immediately wished I'd had it. In fact, one time when they came back here in April, there was like 14 ducklings just in Doc Stanton Garden. All 14 until this bird flu came around and killed most of them, and now there's 2 left. Or the heron, or whatever the heck. I don't know what's happened to them. So I bet it's more likely the bird flu because it's been going on around for like a year now. Just 1 year it's been going on. And today I've even took down the YouTube channel that was also making staged animal rescues for views, which often puts their animals in harmful scenarios. It's called KM Animal, and if you would have seen it already, these people on there are really off their head because they've already got them busted for one video which involves a puppy, and they still do this same old barbaric garbage to this day. So I was desperate to try and fully ban it and stop it, terminate it or whatever you pronounce it. So yeah, to fully terminate it. Well, I hope it does because you know, I've already in fact YouTube recently they've now completely ignored this now. Like it's like with this live feeding that's going on of which involves feeding ducklings, mice and other small animals to predators, but often it's in a small enclosure and it's any less natural, and with these all these creatures that they will not meet in the wild, such as octopuses and Pac-Man frogs and that. So yeah, that's basically well, YouTube. In fact, I'm pretty sure if the public found out, they won't be happy with YouTube. I mean, because if there was an ad where of rabbit food on a commercial, where a rabbit is fed to a caiman, I'm pretty sure they'll not be happy with YouTube. What the duck is? This is totally out of control. Swifts chasing each other around. What are they like?
There's the babies. We want to see more babies, don't we, Alpha?
Yeah, Yeah, wanting to see the remaining.
It'd been cool to see all those 12, wouldn't it?
Yeah, it would have been cool to see all those 14 or 12 or whatever you said. Oh yeah! Why are you always doing... Mom, why are they bullying each other all the time? Literally all the time.
No.
Oh. Now you're warning the Mandarin's partner off. Stupid ducks. Yeah, so yeah, YouTube are now being really irresponsible with animal cruelty videos, such as the staged ones and the live feeding. One pretty sure. Well, I pretty much hope that this channel gets banned because the people on there are literally off their heads. Huh? What's happened to you, Docky? What, your old foot? No, it can't be your old foot. It's pretty much buried in soil, isn't it? Oh. It's just part of your webbed feet. Just... Mom.
I know it's...
I'm pretty sure the ducks must have pecked most of the webbing off its feet.
It's got a foot off. It's just in the dust.
Mum, if you can see, there's no webbing on that foot.
You can see when it lifts up, Alpha. You can tell it's got a foot.
Oh, I'm pretty sure it's probably got... Oh, it's my bad.
It's because it's got muck on and it looks like it ain't got a foot.
I'm pretty sure that I'm probably mistaken for this duck to have no webbing on its feet, but it's pretty much pulling it back. I knew this duck was faking it all along, Mum.
Did you?
Yeah, I knew it was faking it.
What a cheeky little faker.
Yeah. Because I thought it had shown up with only one, or probably...
Where's these babies?
Or probably a half-eaten foot, but because I originally thought that this duck had shown up with only one or a half-eaten foot, but it won't. It's faking it, literally.
That's good, isn't it, that it hasn't got an half-eaten foot?
The absolute faker. Don't tell me I'm calling you faker now for the rest of your life. Gosh, these ducks, man, they're literally fighting. Anyway, I put mealworms out for the ducks.
And they soon scoff the lot.
Just in case the ducklings come along.
But they've had them all nearly.
Yep, but they ain't come along yet.
And the greedy ducks have had it all there.
Yep.
Haven't they?
Yeah, and we also got bread just in case the trout come along. But because of these ducks, but that's all become bloopers now because of all the flocks of ducks coming around them. So we can't do that if they eat it. Or maybe we can feed the trout now if they're even here. And duckies, please don't eat all this bread because it will make you fat. We're here already. Don't even think about sneaking a bunch. Sneaking even a little, even tiny bit, duckies. Because I would have killed you if... Because if I would have even gave you that, even if you were so... You're not having it, ducky. No! Oh, don't eat it. Get it, get it, get it. Get it. Get it, boy. No, no. I said don't sneak a bunch. You're getting fat. No, you're getting fat. No, no, no.
Well, you're supposed to be chucking yours in.
Don't. No, 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 no. No. I knew this was going to happen. Mum.
Oops,
Oi! It'll make you fat, you greedy gooses. I knew this
Careful,
was...
you're near edge. Oh, wow.
I knew this was going to happen, Mum.
Oh, yeah.
They start eating all the bread. Don't sneak the bread, Dockies. It will... Eating bread will basically give you a fat butt, angel wing, and probably summer. It will give you allergies or summer, or angel wing, or whatever the heck. Yeah, get him, fish.
You want some more?
Yeah. Leave the ducks to starve. Make sure they don't eat the bread or they'll get fat. No! Yeah. Slap them in the face with your tail. They can't have the bread because they'll get angel wing.
Wow, look
Which
at that
involves
one.
them with wing feathers growing too fast and they'll all get curly. If it were... I think, in fact, it is a deformity's angel wing. They eat bread. Don't you keep sneaking all the bread. It's bad for you. Bread will give you angel wing. Don't look, that won't help. No! Right, shoot. 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 You're not having the bread. Stupid ducks. I knew this was going to happen. They'd sneak all the bread, wouldn't they, Mum?
Don't want you. Look at this.
This is why I don't bother taking bread and feeding it to the fish, because the ducks will probably sneak in a bite. When I told them not to eat it, because bread ain't legit. You silly ducks. Anyway, where are you, Mr. Blackbird? Have you gotten scared off by the big mean ducks? And you better not be stealing all the mealworms, because most of it's basically for the ducklings, not for you. Where are you? Can't have gone far, could it? Yeah, I bet it's gone to do its bird song somewhere. Wait, hold your horses. This little devil has just pooed next to the feeding spot. That dirty, deviant, evil, side-eyed blackbird. You just left your dirty excrement behind the feeding spot. You little thrush. Yes, you suspicious bird. Look at the poop that she did. Oh no, you better not eat it, duckies, because... Huh? What the heck was that noise? Ducks don't make that heckin' noise. Mom! Mom! I've never been to the I've been to the Hob duck park today, and the duck is went like this. No, not like that. It's went like this. What am I doing? Yes, Scram. Don't do that again. There'll be no pooping tolerated on my Hob duck.
Well, I can't believe that we feed all the ducks and we didn't see those 14 ducklings.
Well, there's 2 now.
Shocking.
You just
Maybe
stepped
it might
in.
not be the same lot, it might be
Mum.
a different lot.
That disgusting duck. It stepped in the poo. Yuck. Get off. Go take a dip in the water now. You're gonna have to take a dip in the water now, you dirty duck. Ducky. Come here. Ducky. Ducky, get in there. Get in the water. Go wash the poo off. Gosh. Anyway, that duck went like this. Yeah, similar to that.
Similar to that.
Sounded a bit like it farted, but it didn't. And you're not being a good listener, are you, Ducky? You baddie. Yeah, you better go. Oh, heck, he dead. The jackdaws have already spotted the food. Well, at least the blackbird's pushed off, and the jackdaw. So, I suggest that you get off your cabooses and fly off. Stop eating like half of the meal. You've already ate like half of the mealworms off the feeding spot. We're supposed to be waiting for ducklings to come along. Not for greedy jackdaws and blackbirds. Well, the ducklings are probably not here because they've already gone like further down the river already. But whatever.